We are creating a wig. I am using just a regular dome cap that I got from my local beauty supply store. And the bundles that I'm going to be using to create this unit is from Iconik Gold, the hair collection. So this is what it looks like. So I have 3 bundles and a frontal from Iconik Gold. Okay guys, so this is another important part. We are basically to the top. I'm just gonna, okay. So we're basically to the top. This is the edge of our frontal here. And these are the last tracks that we are going to sew down. Now what I'm going to do to get, to continue to get that flat, seamless look with this unit is I'm just going to line the edge of my frontal and the beginning of my tracks to each other. So they're going to be laying like that, and I'm going to sew them together like that. And that's going to give us that flawless, seamless, flat look, okay? Okay guys, so I'm just going to show you, now that I'm finished, I'm just going to show you how I cut the inside of the cap out of the unit so that we could use that portion of the cap as our elastic band to hold the frontal down. That way we don't have to use any got-to-be glue. It'll just, the elastic band will just hold the frontal down for us. Okay, as you guys could see, this is the inside, and I'm just going to go in with my scissors and cut this portion. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna cut at an angle. And you don't want to cut, let's see if my scissors will work. You don't want to cut too close to your thread, because you could cut the thread and it'll start to unravel. So just make sure you leave enough room in between. Okay, so as you guys can see here, I'm just going to go around till I get to the other side and cutting this out.
If I was your woman, the things that
Okay, so this is basically the rest of the fabric, and we're going to use this as our elastic band. And now, as you can see, we just have the lace part now.